Real quick before the video starts, welcome to Drewtopia and good afternoon. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Now let's get into it. Hey guys, today I'm going to make this into an anvil. Not the best anvil in the world, better have thick steel, but I didn't have to pay for this. So I'm going to mark it out. I just want to make this a little bit of a cone over here, cut out this, make this flat. I want to drill a couple holes in it so I can mount it down later on to a piece of board. That's it. I'm not going to make this super fancy because it's just a small piece of railroad track spike. So, I'm going to just mark it out and get going. Hey, Future Drew here. One thing I didn't say is I'm actually going to grind the top of that anvil flat first, get all that corrosion and rust off of it. And to get nice flat, grind the edges. And I think that's going to look a whole lot better. It's going to make it a lot easier to go ahead and get that marked out so I can gut it to see what I'm all dealing with. Hey, Future Drew again. This grinding is taking a whole lot longer than I expected. I didn't think it was going to take this much work. I've actually gone through like 4 grinding discs. And I'm just going to keep on going and just go ahead and get this part done. I'll see when I finish grinding. Hope it's not too boring. As you can see now that I've got all this nice and smoothed out, I want to take this, I want to make a little bit of a horn on one side. I'm going to curve that over a little bit, and I'm going to flatten this other side. So this has got a little more curve to it, so this is going to be on my mark. I'm going to take some chalk and mark this all out. Nice and hot right now. Just going to use my favorite color, blue. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to grab a cutoff wheel and cut that straight clean.
Get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Since you saw you see things, feel like something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole for you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack the holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. And then you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
So while doing this, I realized I needed relief cuts, and I figured I might as well just go ahead and cut off the bottom, and it'll make life a whole lot easier in the long run. Just take a little time, cut it through, make it easier for this to get through and everything. So, if you've been really paying attention, not just kind of watching this in the background, you're going to notice that I'm having trouble getting my cutting wheel in there. It's real tight quarters, it's only a 4.5 inch disc. I decided at this point that I'm going to need to cut off a whole lot more material. This is just so I can see what's going on and really get in there, and also it's going to make life a little easier in the long run. Won't be as much meat to beat onto later on, but this is, after all, a railroad track piece of it, and I'm not really too worried about this. It's just enough to get started in the hobby, and I'm doing this as cheap as possible after all. So guys, I don't have any cutting this long enough anymore. I need a full width blade and I'm out. So this project's going to go on hold until I get more blades, which ain't going to be today. So we'll return when I get more blades. Hey guys, thank you for making it to the end screen. I really appreciate you making it to the entire video. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be definitely a part 2. As you can tell, I'm not done with this thing. I gotta get to more cutting discs, and I'll film that, well, eventually, whenever I get cutting discs, like I said. But I hope you enjoyed. Hope you hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment if you got any tips of what I should do in the future. But again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.